All right, if you need to evaluate an expression when you're multiplying and dividing negative numbers, what's really, really, really important is rewriting these expressions the way that they appear, each part. So I like to write little arrows down to rewrite what I've got. So this is going to be -5. I'm going to keep that times, and G is -5. So I'm going to put parentheses because parentheses are helpful in reorganizing our problem so it's not confusing. So you can see the difference between an operation and a sign that's attached to an integer. So now I get to follow my rules. Same signs, the answer is going to be positive. And sometimes I use this little triangle to help me out. So a negative times a negative is a positive. So my answer is going to be positive. 5 times 5 is 25. So my answer is positive 25. All right, this one down here, F. F is 12, so I'm going to rewrite my F. Divided by -4. Now, 12 divided by 4, I'm just going to go ahead and divide. So that's going to be 3. But I have a negative and a positive. And a negative times a positive is a negative. If we have different signs, the answer is going to be a negative. So make sure that you attach that sign. This one is E times 7. So E is -2. So I'm going to write E as -2 times 7. So we're multiplying. We're going to multiply as normal. 7 times 2 is 14. But it's a negative and a positive, which leaves me with the sign of a negative. This one, F and E. F is 12 divided by, and E is -2. Again, I always write that negative down there in the parentheses if it's coming second, because otherwise it looks kind of funky with 12 divided by -2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. These signs are different, so our sign is negative.